Okay, hi, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to do the question 2, which looks a bit like this. So that's 14, this is 22, and you're asked to work out the shaded area. Now, the shaded area consists of 2 triangles, and the secret to this is seeing how you make that triangle. So those 2 triangles have the same area as the big rectangle minus the area of the triangle inside the rectangle. Does that make sense? So the area of this big rectangle is 22 times 14, and the area of your triangle is a half of that, because areas of triangles are perpendicular height multiplied by the base times divided by 2. So 22 times 14 is 168, and half of that is 84. So the area of the shaded bit is 84 centimeters squared. The second part looks like it's a more complicated shape. Okay, so you've got what is it? It's a hexagon, and you're told that this bit is 7, and this tiny bit is 3, and this bit is 5, and this bit is 6, and this whole bit is 20, and this whole bit is 16. Okay, so what you could do here is you could work out the area of the whole rectangle. So the area of the whole rectangle is 20 by 16, and then if you subtract the triangle A and you subtract the triangle B from that, you'll end up with the shaded area that you want. So it then becomes a case of trying to work out the side lengths of triangles A and B. So if this little bit is 7 and the whole thing is 16, then this bit must be 9, so the base of that is 9. And if the whole height is 20 and that tiny bit is 6 up here, this bit here must be 20 minus 6, which is 14. And if you do the same thing for B, then this must be 17, and this must be 11. So that's 11 and that's 17. So 20 times 16 is 320, minus, you want to do 14 times 9 divided by 2, which is the same as 63, and 11 times 17 divided by 2 is 187 divided by 2 is 93.5. So 63 plus 93.5 is 156.5, and you want to do 320 minus that. So if you do that, and you do that, and you do that, and you do that, and you do that, this is 5, this is 3, this becomes 11, this is 6 and 1, so it's 163.5. Hope that helps.